Okay. So next question. Are we allowed to reuse the remaining wax that glues to the candle holder for using, for example, to glue the base of the Havdalah candle to its candle holder? Thank you, Rabbi.
I don't know to use the wax for. I think for a mitzvah it should not be any problem, right? Maybe for some base purposes like that. It would not be allowed, but for a mitzvah there is no problem whatsoever. So you use in one mitzvah and continue for another mitzvah. That's good. Yes.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.